Well, welcome back to Ron. Today I'm going to be working on my newest and latest truck, and this is called a yard jockey or a yard dog. And what this is designed for out in the real world is that when you go to a warehouse and you see all the tractor trailers all lined up, just the trailers themselves, they use these yard jockeys, yard dogs, to move them around a little bit easier because they're much more nimble than a regular tractor trailer such as this one right here. They can do the job, but it takes them a bit more time and effort to get the trailers moved around, especially when they're trying to do it in a hurry. And then every once in a while, you may see some trucks like this. You've got the stretched trucks, and they're not very practical around a warehouse. So today I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to build this yard dog, and I'm going to kind of go through it relatively quick. You've seen a lot of my other videos, so I'm not going to go through every little detail on exactly how it all goes together. You're very familiar with my pegs that I use for the lights and for the wheels and for the air cleaner and so forth. The approximate length on this truck right here is about 3.5 inches, and I've got my pattern that I can actually show you here as well. So this is my pattern that I put together, and it's 3.5 inches long and it's 2.5 inches high. So these are all my own designs. I'm working on trying to figure out a way to get these on my website so you can print them off as a PDF, so you can just kind of cut them out as you would like. So again, we're going to go ahead and build ourselves a yard dog. So let's get started. All right, one yard dog all completed. This is probably going to be one of my new favorite trucks. I really like these a lot. And in real life, these are really an amazing vehicle. As I said before, for what these little trucks do, it's amazing. They move these trailers all around the warehouse area and so forth. So I didn't get into the detail on exactly everything that I had done because I've shown that on a lot of my other videos. So if you want to go back and look at some of the step-by-step, it'll explain to you more why I used a popsicle stick and why I cut these headlights down to fit and so forth. So, well, I hope this helps you in making your toy trucks and so forth, and stay tuned for the next one.